Here we have a 2024 Nissan Navara NP300, or also known as a D23. So front pair have separate headrests, center console in matching canvas. Driver's side has allowance on the capping for all the controls, including the height adjustment on the driver's side. Also have airbag provision on the door sides of both backrests. In the rear seat it's a bench with 3 separate headrests, so you've also got allowance for the separate center lap sash belt. Buckles are still accessible for the base. Fold down armrest and drink holder both provided for, and also you can still lift the base up vertically for the storage.